Our bodies are sustained by nature's endless gifts. From the food we eat to the air we breathe, we are reminded of the care nature provides. The vitamins and minerals strengthen us, helping us glow and thrive, and keep us true to who we are. In a world that feels busier every day, we crave for the gentle, nourishing touch of nature. Introducing Vitamin N for Nature. Experience Amara skincare packed with Vitamin N. Your natural solution to looking great and feeling your best. Give your skin a daily dose of Vitamin N. Amara. Embrace nature.